Abdallah, it was a pleasure kunitembelea na kupata fursa ya kuongea na kuweza kuanza hii safari ya chakula chema. Let me talk about chakula chema kidogo. Chakula chema ni service ambayo imetokea hiki kipindi cha corona. Unajua when everybody is locked up at home, so kila mmoja anaanza kufikiria nini afanye. So because me I love food and I like to host na to entertain people, nikaamua wacha ni take my cooking idea to the next level. Mimi sina recipe. Mimi upika tu. Mimi sina recipe. Hiyo siri yangu ya kwanza. Na kisha mimi upika kwa moyo. You know, napika kwa moyo. It's what my heart tells me at that particular time. Mimi ndio sina hati viwango wala nini. Utaona nitakavyoku. Kwa hivyo biriani. Mimi katika biriani yangu mara nyingi sana ni kitunguu. Kitunguu ndio the magic of my biryani. So the more objective of chakula chema is to promote healthy eating, kwa sababu a lot of people are sick, a lot of people have problems. Because you see, I don't have a measurement. My heart tells me stop, I stop. Give it a mix. Such brown. And I like to use the same oil because of the aroma and the flavor of the kitunguu, of the onion. So it also goes to the chicken. Same, not to put them half and then half. So we cover and we shallow fry as we watch. Okay. We can stir a little bit, you know. Look at this brown, you know? More of that. Look at that brown. So because, chicken produces some water, so the water has to dry, then the oil will start to make this browny, crispy. So baada ya kuku wetu kuwa tayari na viazi, sasa tunavikaanga. So kuku anaendelea na viazi vinaendelea. Tukimaliza hivyo vitu viwili, tunaanza kuassemble biriani yetu. Tunaweka kuku, tunaweka ma veggies, tunaweka na all the spices needed with some yogurt, and then we let the biryani start to cook pole. And now we are doing the rice part, and I don't do the Swahili part. This is a kind of rice I learned from my friend, a German lady. She taught me how to do this fried rice. So basically, you just put oil, a little bit of oil, and get it heat, kidogo. And then just get the rice, and we like to use the basmati, you know, it's nice. Try to get them.
You put only oil?
Only oil in this stage. Yeah, make sure all the rice is covered by the oil, and then you let it start to fry. And for the rice you have to boil water, so a boiler will do the trick easily. So you boil the water as the rice keep on frying, and also the idea is to have a golden, light golden color to the rice before you pour the hot water and salt, and that's it. I don't have the measurement, I just stop when my heart tells me to. For me, I think my measurement is like you have one sheet, no measurement, you see? My heart tells me stop, I stop. And you stir. And put the heat not too much. much, not too little, in the middle. So now is the magic time to assemble the main piece of art, which is the biryani sauce. And here I have a very spacious pan, and the fire is on. And as I say, this I want to make it more special, and that's why I use ghee instead of normal oil. This is very flavored, and it's healthier than the normal oil. So let's make this biryani more special using. And then I start with my new friend, the leek. I have to find the name in Swahili. Just kidogo, give it a stir. And then just dump the rest. Dump the rest. Very, very colorful. In this case, I just put a little bit of salt, a little bit, just to season it, kidogo. Less than one minute, let's say. And now you put your chicken and your potatoes. Okay. Right. Give it a stir. You can imagine, Bargash, just from this start, it's more juicy, you know. Give it a stir, kidogo. Then we go to the spicy part, starting with the, of course, biryani masala, black pepper. I'm generous, so I like. Also, this is a local biryani from Lamu, locally made. So also add. Of course, because we are doing the chicken biryani, of course, biryani masala. Of course, you put the energy you put to the food, so we have to put our heart into whatever we're doing. So this is the end result. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. I cannot wait to hear your reviews. But gosh, as I tell you before, me, I don't cook. I just make love with recipes. Kwa hivyo tukutane tena Abdalla, na usikose kupitia kwa sababu chakula chema kiko kwa ajili yetu sote na inakaribisha watu wote.
Thank you so much.
Na ubarikiwa sana.
Asante.
Na wale ma viewers, natumai utatuendelea kutufuata na kutusupport katika nyanja zetu tofauti za social media platforms ambazo tutaziweka chini ya description.